Hi, I'm Allie, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper snowflake, specifically a basic 8-pointed snowflake. You are going to need some paper, printer or copy paper will be just fine, and some scissors. So first what we need to do is make our paper into a square, and you do that by having it in landscape view. You take a corner and bring it down to this side so that these two sides right here line up. Then you need to crease your paper. And finally, we're going to cut along this line right here. So that ends up in the shape of a triangle. And there we have our square. From there, you're going to fold it in half diagonally, just along this crease that we've already made. And then you're going to fold it in half again, so that it's still in the shape of a triangle. Then you fold it in half again. So that all together from the square paper, you're going to fold it 3 times in half. And now we are ready to cut. A few things to remember when you're making snowflakes is you need to not cut off this side or this side completely, or else your snowflake is going to fall apart. And we don't want that to happen. But you can cut along this side because that is the top of the snowflake, and you can cut it into whatever shape you want, however far down you want. And also, if you're new to making snowflakes, just simple basic shapes like triangles, rectangles, squares, hearts, circles, semicircles, ovals, all of those shapes will just make a beautiful snowflake by itself. So you don't have to do anything too fancy. So now I'm going to cut into my paper, and feel free to do exactly what I do or to make your own design. So I'm going to cut into the top right here first. Just a triangle, kind of to follow along the shape that it's already in. Then I'm going to cut into this side right here, an oval, right about in the middle. And then I think I'll cut the tip right here. And then next I'm going to cut right here in the middle along those lines. I'll make some triangles. Make sure you get all of the little pieces of paper cuttings out of there. Next, I will cut along this side. I'm going to make just some more triangles here. One right there, one right here, and then another right here. Lastly, I will cut into the corner because you can still do that and it will not fall apart on you. And I think I'm done. So when you are satisfied with how this looks, you can open up your snowflake and see how it looks. Isn't that beautiful? So if you like how that looks, then you are all done. But if you want to make a few changes, you can always fold it back into the cutting form like this. And you can cut some more if you want, and that will be just fine. And there you have a basic 8-pointed paper snowflake. If you thought this video was informative and helpful, please like and subscribe and check out my other videos and tutorials of how to make more paper snowflakes. Thanks for watching and happy cutting!